नमस्कार, मैं आपकी होस्ट पूजा कुमारी आपका स्वागत करती है इस मंच पर जिसका नाम है कटिंग चाय। हमारी सीरीज मेरा नाम भी है सम्मान सबके लिए जरूरी है के नए एपिसोड में आपका हम स्वागत करते हैं। आज हमारे साथ एक नई फ्रेंड जुड़ी हुई है, तो सबसे पहले नमस्कार।
Namaskar, ma'am.
आप अपना नाम बताएं दर्शक।
My name is Vandana, and I'm finished my class 12 from St. Mary's College. And after that, my father's name is Sylvester Swell, my mother Margaret Marvinya, and I have two brothers and two sisters.
Okay, so
And my hobbies is listening music and badminton.
so you know how to sing?
Yes, ma'am.
You like only singing and you know how to dance?
Yes, and little. When I practice, I know how to dance. I used to dance in my culture dress. I used to dance, but in my culture.
Yeah, the Manipuri culture is very beautiful.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
saw in sites. It's
Yeah,
very beautiful.
Manipur, Nagaland, Meghalaya. I'm from Meghalaya.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So, like you're elder in your home?
Yes, I'm the three number.
You're
My
the
brother
third.
is the first, and my second brother is the second. My me is third. My sister is last.
So, tell me something about your siblings.
Sibling.
You can start with your brother.
Brother.
Yeah.
When we are at home, so something when I get more, they are very fighting.
They are very naughty.
Yes, they are very fighting. Means like when I get something, they will tell, "Are you giving only from my elder sister?" So for me, like you didn't give anything, like my papa, no. And then after that, we are fighting. We are fighting with my brother, and then slowly they said, tomorrow I won't give anything to you. That's something we have some fighting with my brother. And then my sister told me, no, I will give you. My last one, she told, okay, I will give for my brother. Okay, let it be, I will give you. And then after that, then they told me, they very, very angry with me.
Okay.
So on that time, what will do? Then my father, they told, okay, next day I will purchase, I will purchase for you, both I will give you.
To all of them.
Yes, to all of them. And then my brother very, very happy because he won mobile, no? He won mobile, that's why
he got the mobile.
Yes. One day he got, and then suddenly he's very happy.
Okay, so tell me about your studies.
Study before I'm studying in my school. So in my experience, so first I'm in class 5. Then I explain myself because I don't know the Hindi, ma'am.
Okay.
I don't know Hindi. So and then after that time, I sit in the class and my teacher scold me. He told me, why you didn't
learn Hindi.
You didn't learn Hindi and all. You don't know. I don't know anything. So on that time they told me to write ko till near and just like that. And then I stand. They told me to stand, and then I stand there, and then I have to write one by one. And then after that, then I got scolded too much. Then after that, slowly, they told me the school at the same time, and then slowly, I can learn to write. So then after that, when I'm study there in my college, so I know from my headman, they are helping me a lot. They are told me, you try to come outside. So, and then after that, ma'am, actually for me also, first first time, so I'm scared. I'm scared. I have so many in my mind. I'm thinking how if when I'm traveling outside, so how I will adjust with others people. It's not easy, no?
Yeah, it's not easy.
So how I'll stay, how and then after that they are told me, don't worry, I will support you. So you try in this management, you can go and you will grow by one day. So and then after that, then I start from there only, from my place only. I went my college. I'm study in my ILFS Institute. So I'm study there. So they are then slowly I met my friends, and then after that, then slowly then I can come. I can learn, and then after that, I can do this exam and all. I reach in this part. So and then after when I finish my exam and all, so suddenly I pass my exam. So
Oh, that's
selected,
good.
yes, ma'am. So and then suddenly they selected in Wayanad, in
Oh,
Hill District Club in
okay.
Wayanad. So my first internship, I am finished from there only. So and then after that, I'm thinking when I'm finished that everything, ma'am, I'm thinking how I'll do. Then my parents also, they told me how you'll go. Then they don't know because how many people they will travel, no, ma'am. So they thinking I'm alone. So they feel how you'll go, how you travel alone. They very
Feeling
yes,
scared.
feeling not sleeping. They are very scared. So
They're
after
feeling
that, I
worried.
got a resort. I got a resort from my teacher. So he told, and then he contact my parents. Then he called in their office in my college, and then they are talking about this.
About you.
Yes, they talk about in this management. So they told, don't worry, I will support her. From here also, they will go not alone. From 21 staff, they will go from here by train. We travel by train, ma'am, on that time. On that time, we get that on that time that this money, no, ma'am, new getting note, no.
Yes,
On
yes,
that time,
yes,
Modi.
yes.
On that time, I'm traveling. So and then in my family, they're very happy to hear that because we are travel.
They're
so
feeling
many
very
years,
proud.
yes. And then after that, they told, okay, they are, you are going 21 staff, so okay, no problem, you can go ahead, you can do it. So and then I give thanks to God. So my family also, they support me. So and then slowly I face at the same time, ma'am, the problem at the same time when I'm in institute, means I have first in training, so I face a lot. But on that time, my parents also, they told me, you have patient, just patient, confident, just like that. And then I'm doing at the same time I'm crying. So at the same time my problem is there. So I try, and then at last I got my certificate internship from my institute. So from there also, they very happy to hear that because I got the bonus. That no, that bonus mean from the institute they give something, no, from the scheme, government scheme.
Yes.
So then for me also, I got something and along with certificate. So from my family, they on that time, they're very happy. They told, I didn't
They are
realize.
supporting you.
Yes. I didn't realize you are reaching here, means you are reaching there, you got this much. We are thinking so very worried for you. So, but now I'm very thank you. You means you can do it. Then they, till now also, they support me until now also, ma'am.
So they are feeling proud.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
feeling proud yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you told about some Meghalaya. You're from Meghalaya, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me about some Meghalaya's, like how's the place? Because I listen, there's a very good nature and everything, the greenies.
Yes, waterfalls.
So, yes, waterfalls.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
tell me some
About Meghalaya.
yes.
Okay, Meghalaya is a good place. It's a nice place. It's a beautiful place, ma'am. And the tourism also is more. They used to come there and visit. And especially our culture means if you come there means you will reach in Sopat Meneng. We used to call Sopat Meneng. That is our temple.
Oh,
Temple
okay.
means like our culture. We used to pray. We used to go there, and you have to climb means little bit high because the crowd.
There's a
of the
lot of
road-
stairs?
Yes, the lot of the stair and the
Okay.
road also is a very very crowd. Little. So when you go up there means like you'll feel like peace because God is there, no? Ma'am?
Obviously,
So when-
God is everywhere.
Yes, ma'am. So after that, then when you come there means like you'll get like waterfalls and this bridge
Okay.
bridge also is very nice and very long and very very
It's very beautiful.
Yes, ma'am. And you get along with food. Our food means little different here in Bangalore.
Oh, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So tell me about here, like how you came here, how you
Oh,
raised.
okay. Before I reach here, so I'm working here in Lemon Tree. In
Lemon Tree.
Yes, in also
Okay.
Lake. I'm working there because I came through from institute. So I came there. So I met a friend. I met all some and they all very supported me and they very helping me. And after that, I got lots of experience there also, ma'am. So, and then after that, then suddenly when I hear about this V1 hotel, so I came to know this, I will get more experience. So suddenly I decided to come here.
Okay.
To come here means to come and join here in V1 hotel. So I'm here now. I'm reaching here, so I'm very happy. I feel like all my family here also.
They're feeling very
Yes,
proud.
Yes. They are till now also. I cannot forget them because they are support me and they asking me where are you going. So I'm telling I'm joining here in V1 hotel.
Okay.
So they very very happy and they know about my destination. Mean I'm working as a supervisor housekeeping.
Oh, that's
so,
good.
Yes, ma'am. So they told me keep it up, do well, do your best. And that's why, ma'am, I'm very, very happy to reach here in V1 Hotel because I feel like family to all, sir, because they support me, guiding me.
Okay, so you told about your family, like
Yes,
in your
ma'am.
family, your mummy, your dad,
Yes, ma'am.
and your two brother,
Yes.
and one sister is there. So whom you liked most?
I like most my father.
The father. Why? Obviously, because
Yes.
all girls love father only. So
Yes.
just tell me any incidences there.
Because I like father, my father, because from my childhood, he used to look me, he used to teach me, and when I have any problem also, he used to share with me. And he used to tell, means if I have problem also, I cannot go to share to my mommy. I used to close with my father only till now. So then that's why if in only little problem also when I'm sick, when I have any in my personal life also means he knows. He used to give suggestion for me. Don't do this and you do this. Don't do that because you'll happen like this, you'll happen like that. So he gives suggestion for me. So that's why I'm till now means because of my father's.
Because of your
Yes.
father. That's very sweet. Okay, so you told about the V1.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so something, tell me like what you want to do after this hotel.
After this hotel. From here, I want to grow for myself. I want to learn some more. And then next step in my dream, I want to be like in higher means now I'm supervisor housekeeping. So next step, I hope so. I will be one day in executive housekeeper.
Okay. तो आप V1 से आपने क्या क्या सीखा है अभी तक?
इधर V1 में क्या क्या मिला मैम? इधर में मीन्स कैसा गेस्ट के साथ बात करना पड़ेगा and कैसा how to handle with the guests when they have problem especially in laundry and especially in the room, occupy room or departure room, how they will come in the room and how they will sometime in our housekeeping sometime we bed sheet not good, any like cup not there, like sometimes this small. So then these all how to handle means I got support from here.
Okay, so the
Means how
experience is good.
yes, and along with system how to handle
How to handle things.
yes ma'am, and to how I'll say means it's very I got means like I feeling very close to sir because they are very helping me a lot because they teaching me when I mistake they helping me.
They are
This all,
supporting
yes,
every time.
yes ma'am, because like as a human being because I'm little
Yes, yes.
mistake is there, but I when on that time okay sir I will do my best, I will try my best. Then they told me okay next time don't do again, okay sir.
So
Just
here
like that.
peoples are very helpful.
Yes ma'am.
हमारी बातचीत बहुत अच्छी हुई. एक मैसेज खासी में. Yes.
Kublay shibun ya pibaro kani ka day ka jing explain jo nga kabangadon hang ni hapo V1 Hotel ti ngayo bun ki explain ki bangayo na kani ka V1 Hotel ti nga sobha ban ai kublay ya pibaro bapin ya nungdu jing kermen bapin kiu ban pin long confident ha kinu ki kam ki bapitre but ka iki ki bapide don nadu kamensi ti tangkata kublay shibun.
बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे बात करके इनसे. मिलते हैं अब हम एक नए एपिसोड में. तब तक के लिए आप अपना ध्यान रखें. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.